Hi guys, I'm back at the outlets at Vineland Premium Outlets. I'm going to go into Disney Character Warehouse store, but it's 10 o'clock and I think they just opened up. Let's see what we can find in there today. Come on, Obi, let's hurry up and get in there. Come on, O. Come on, let's go. Oh, let's stop and smell first. Come on, let's go check out the store. There's a line waiting to get in, but look at the big giant pumpkin. I'm not sure how much that is. They still have Jungle Cruise backpacks with the ears for $7.99. The backpacks are $50. Oogie Boogie light up tumblers, $14.99. Halloween mugs are going for $20. What is it? Okay, originally said these were mugs. They're not. They're candles for $20. This right here is a candle votive. You can put a little light in there. It'll light up. It's kind of cute. $3.99. They still have a lot of the Peter Pan ears for $7.99. Oh, I see another Steamboat Willie. It's not the backpack. It is $109.99, so $110. The princess bags are $161, $136, or $137, sorry. We got Winnie the Pooh over here for $179. Donald Duck bags. These ones, I don't see a price. $179 for this size. $137, and then the big one's $197. There's still a lot of Halloween items over here, pretty stocked for the kids. And then look at this. This is $50 for the pants, $50 for the top, but if you buy both of them, they'll take $30 off. So you're looking at spending $70 for an outfit. $7.99 for Mickey and Minnie mugs. Alright, they have the Mickey and Minnie. Where's Minnie at? Minnie right here. Wishables. They have some phone cases for iPhone XS, Max, and regular XM. That's all I'm really seeing. Remote control, still $20.99. Thought they would have gone down by now. Got a Doctor Strange. I don't know the price on it. And you got the Hungry Hungry Hippos, Jungle Cruise style, for $20.
Oh yeah.
Boys, little boys shirts. They have a puzzle up there. It's Beauty and the Beast for $6.99, and then you've got some stationery. $4.99. And slap somebody with a rose. The kitchen towels are going for $7.99. You got a cake holder with, who's that, Tigger on the bottom? And you still got more Winnie Pooh cookie jars. And Tigger's $15. Lots of blue and white sets.
Diorama. My great grandmother on my mom's side.
They had the Halloween hand soap here for $13. Stitch mug, $7.99, and then you got Pocahontas and Jasmine mugs for $5.99. No, $7.99. Eeyore up here is $5.99. All right, that was the outlet. There was some pretty cool things. I liked, oh, Steamboat Willie bag, Dooney bag was back. Just the bag, not the backpack. There was a few other new purses. Winnie the Pooh was there. I don't remember seeing Winnie the Pooh, but behind the counter they had Coach items that were not very discounted. I mean, $200 and some for the small little bag. Could go down a little bit more. Some ears, $7.99. Nothing really changed price-wise. Just some new bits and pieces here and there. That was it. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you haven't yet done so, please make sure you subscribe and like, comment if you like my content. Subscribing is one way to help support the channel. Another way to help support the channel is in the description down below is the link for our Patreon account. You can become a Patreon for as low as $5 a month. And then we also have, you can buy us a coffee, and all our information's there for you. So, as always, guys, thank you for being here, and I love you all. Those are Obie's buddies.